Hey guys, this is R.V.C and I'm back again with another video. Let me introduce something awesome. IOVST Wi-Fi disc PA-521I is the model number. Well, the device has a couple of functionalities and they're all printed on the back and one of the sides of the package. But too bad it's in Chinese. Anyway, it acts as a power bank with 5200 mAh battery. It can be used as a wireless storage device, and it can also be used as a router. I will explain each functionality in the video. Let's proceed and unbox the device and see what's inside the package. We get the power bank, of course, and a micro USB cable which can be used to charge the power bank or charge your device if it has a micro USB port. We get user manuals which will be useless since they are all in Chinese. The power bank is thick and heavy, but it's not that huge. Looking at what the power bank contains, we have a micro USB port for charging the device and an LED which lights blue when charging. We have a USB port which will supply power to whatever you want to charge. We have a button labeled T which will show the amount of charge remaining in the power bank. There is a switch that can be toggled between off, C or R. When you switch to C, it will start charging your device, while R will either be used as a router or wireless storage. We have an RJ45 port where you can plug in your network cable. So, how do you use the wireless storage? That's now the question. Do not use the QR code at the back of the device. It's a complete waste of time and it won't work. Make sure the switch is on R. The LED on the device will start to blink. Plug in a USB stick on the USB port. External hard drives won't work. Use your phone, tablet or PC to connect to the device Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi USB 300E. The default password is hex tuple 1 or 16 times. And you will be connected to the device. Go to your web browser and input the address 10.10.10.254. You will be prompted to log into the device and language selection. The UI is very simple and easy to use. Whatever USB stick is plugged in will show the content and information. And that's about it. So is this device worth your money? Absolutely, I will recommend it to anyone. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.